turn you around so you can see we got a dusting. Very small dusting of snow. Last night, supposed to snow some more. I've got all these grapevines, and I'd like to burn them. But you can see all my grapevines that I've cut. I'm gonna load them up and burn them. If it gets too wet and too yucky, I will go into the pump house. I've got a little wood project in there. I've got some wood to hang up on the door area on the inside where I do my cuttings for the winter and my seed starts. So I'll be working on that, but otherwise I'm gonna try and burn this pile. I'm gonna use this wheelbarrow. That's gonna be my burn pile. Redneck burn pile. Alright, I got my little Badger air blower here, or leaf blower. Are you guys burners? We're burners. We burn our bank statements and a few pieces of cardboard. Not a lot. Most cardboard, like Amazon boxes, those go to recycle. Only when I'm building a fire, I'll put some cardboard on there. But for the most part, it's just brush. I burn the brush. Anything that's sickly, I don't want to put in the compost. But I don't want these grapevines in the compost. I mean, these grapevines root pretty easily. They'll just sprout up. I'm sure I just have a bunch of grapes growing in my compost pile. I don't want that. This isn't California. I don't have to worry. Nothing gonna light on fire here. All right, we're continuing on here. Let's see, I gotta cut this one. All right. Just make sure. I gotta put one up there. Good shooting, Tex. Okay. Oh, missed it. All right. Love it. Good. I don't mind these gaps. That one's a little big. I should have pulled that one down a little bit. And the one above it is a little big, but you can see, I'll swing you around over here. You can see on these over here, these gaps. And the wood itself, it dries. And I'll swing you way around over where the fish tank is and whatnot. You can see this has been in here for like 3 years. And how it dries. These were snugged right up together, but the wood is still wet, so it will dry. Yeah, it dries and shrinks, so what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, shoot. See what I did there? I ended two the same spot. What an idiot. Wasted. Wasted wood. Can't do that. Looks stupid. Move. There. All right. One more for the day. It's getting warm, or I'm just getting warm from working. One more. I got my dahlia baskets down here. They're in the way. Sorry, you gotta go. Somewhere else. Gotta go somewhere else. Okay. One more. All right. This is my last board because I'm out of wood. All right. There you go. That's it for today. I got a little bit done. I'll need to buy, let's see, how many more? 1, 2, 3. Let's count them up over here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. One on the bottom and the one on the top will have to be ripped on the table saw. So 12 by like 15 boards, because I can start on this wall over here behind the heater. I can start on this wall. It's going to take more. And I have more insulation for over there that I need to put in behind those boards. Yeah, so there you go. Just a little bit of stuff I'm doing today. Thanks for coming along, watching me fart around in my pump house.